How to log into your BMO Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your BMO Bank. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in BMO Bank. After that, tap on the first option, which is bmo.com. Now that will take you to the official homepage of BMO Bank, where in order to log into your account, you'll have to first of all tap on the sign in option, which is near the top right side of your screen. After that, simply tap on this link which says sign in to BMO Digital Banking. Now you will be taken to a page somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically enter your user ID, your password, and once you tap on the option sign in, you'll have successfully logged into your BMO Bank's online banking account. And in any case, if you forgot either your user ID or your password, you can simply reset them by tapping the option forgot user ID or forgot password. And once you have the credentials, you can simply log into your BMO Bank's online banking account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.